Let's talk about luck, not the found a $20 bill in my jeans kind of luck. I'm talking about the big stuff. The jobs, the relationships, the moments that change everything. You've probably heard people say, wow, they got so lucky. Personally, I don't buy into the idea that luck is some mystical force picking winners and losers from a celestial hat. Luck isn't magic. It's not a fairy godmother or a cosmic slot machine. It's way simpler and way harder. Luck is much more grounded, more practical. It's what happens when preparation meets opportunity. And guess what? That preparation is not glamorous. It's not the stuff of Hollywood montages. It's years of effort, persistence, and patience that quietly compound in the background. When someone seems to get lucky, it's often the culmination of countless hours, failures, and small wins that finally align into something bigger. Luck isn't a lottery ticket, let's be real. If luck were random, we would all be out here waiting for a meteorite to land in our laps. But here's the kicker. Most overnight successes took 10 years to happen. Studies back this up. Psychologist Richard Wiseman found lucky people aren't mystical, they are just prepared. They talk to strangers, take risks, and stay curious. It's like carrying an umbrella every day. Eventually it will rain and you'll look like a genius. First, let's debunk the myth of the overnight success. The world loves a good Cinderella story, a rags to riches tale, where someone seemingly leaps from obscurity to fame in the blink of an eye. But here's the secret. Those overnight successes are usually years in the making. Think about it. Every rock band that suddenly makes it big has probably spent years playing the dingy bars, perfecting their sound. Every tech startup that gets bought out for millions likely spent sleepless nights coding, tweaking, and pivoting their product. Consider J.K. Rowling. Before Harry Potter, she was broke, divorced, and writing in coffee shops. Then bam, she is a billionaire. Luck, right? Nah. She was writing while life was throwing tomatoes at her face. She was a single mother living on welfare, writing in cafes while her baby daughter napped. She faced rejection from numerous publishers before one finally took a chance on her. Was it luck that Harry Potter became a household name? Sure, but it was also a decade of writing, revising, and facing down rejection. The role of preparation. Preparation is the unsexy truth behind most success stories. It's the bricklaying phase, the foundation building stage. It's waking up early to practice, staying up late to study, and showing up day after day even when it feels pointless. When you look at someone who seems to have gotten lucky, you're usually seeing the result of 1,000 small efforts that have finally paid off. Take the story of Malcolm Gladwell's 10,000-hour rule from his book Outliers. Gladwell argues that it takes roughly 10,000 hours of practice to achieve mastery in any field. That's about 5 years of full-time effort. This isn't just about talent, it's about relentless practice and dedication. The magic of opportunity. Now let's talk about opportunity. Opportunities are like buses. There's always another one coming. But to catch the right one, you need to be prepared. Luck favors those who are ready to jump on opportunities when they appear. This means having the skills, knowledge, and mindset to take advantage of the right moment. Think of it like surfing. You can't just show up at the beach and expect to ride the perfect wave if you have never practiced. You need to learn to paddle, to balance, to read the ocean. And when that perfect wave comes, you'll be ready to ride it. It's not luck, it's preparation meeting opportunity. How to be a luck magnet. The key to getting lucky: keep showing up. Even when it feels pointless, even when the progress is slow, even when you are not sure if it's worth it. Lay brick after brick, even when you don't see the house yet. Trust that the efforts you are putting in now, whether it's building skills, relationships, or resilience, will someday align to create opportunities that seem like pure magic to the outside world. Thomas Edison famously said, "I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Edison's countless experiments and failures were the foundation for his eventual success. He kept showing up, kept trying, and when the opportunity finally came, he was ready. Building your own luck. So how do you get lucky? You prepare. You lay the groundwork. You keep grinding, keep hustling, keep building. Embrace the grind, because that's where the magic happens. When that moment comes, when the stars align just right, you don't want to be caught unprepared. Luck favors those who are ready. Here are a few tips to start building your own luck. Invest in yourself. Continuously learn and grow. Take courses, read books, and develop new skills. The more you know, the more prepared you will be when opportunities arise. Network. Build relationships with people in your field. You never know when a connection could lead to an opportunity. Be persistent. Keep working towards your goals, even when progress seems slow. Persistence is key to success. Stay positive. A positive mindset can help you see opportunities where others see obstacles. Luck isn't about mystical forces or cosmic coincidences. It's about preparation meeting opportunity. The world loves an overnight success story, but what they don't tell you is the years of effort, persistence, and patience that went into setting the stage for that lucky moment. So don't chase luck, build it. Keep showing up, keep preparing, and trust that the efforts you are putting in now will pay off in ways you can't yet imagine. When the moment comes, be ready to ride that wave. Like the video, watch the next one here.